Welcome to qnawire.
We want to find the standard deviation of each set, and then we'll use the standard deviations to compare each pair of data sets. So we have the fastest recorded speeds of various large wild cats in miles per hour. I'm going to go to the decimals graphing calculator and create a list. I'm going to call it A. We can make a list by just a squared bracket. And so that's 70, 50, 30, 40, 35, 30, 30, 30, 40, and 15. And the fastest recorded speeds of various birds in flight, I'm going to call B, is 106, 95, 56, 65, 37, 50, 31, 53, 25, 25, and 25. Should be 12. Oh, I forgot the very first one, 217. Yeah, 217. And okay, I think they're entered correctly. Now you need to find the standard deviation of each one. With the decimals graphing calculator, you can just type standard deviation, and we want to first find it of set A. Now what the standard deviation is finding the mean, which we can also calculate here by hand by adding them up and dividing by how many there are. But the mean of set A is 37, and then you take each element, how much it's different from the mean. So 70 minus 37 squared plus 50 minus 37 squared plus 30 minus 37 squared plus so on and so forth. And then you square root all of that and it comes out to 14.76. So for, I'll call it cats, the standard deviation is about 14.76. For birds, the standard deviation, set B, which again, if we were to find the mean of set B, add them up, divide by how many they are, you get about 65.4. You calculate the standard deviation by subtracting each element from the mean, squaring each difference, adding them all together, and square rooting. Now, that is 54.67. So there's a standard deviation for each of them. Now, how would we compare them? The standard deviation, having a larger standard deviation would mean the values are more spread out. The larger the standard deviation. The closer the standard deviation means they are closer, the values within the set are closer to the mean. And we can see that with some really large values like 217. Don't know what bird that is, but that's cruising. Hope this helps. Good luck.